In this video, we'll set up your graphics product details so it's clear, trustworthy, and easy to discover. Start with the product title. Your title should clearly explain what the graphic is and how it can be used. Use simple, searchable words and avoid vague or overly promotional names. Next is the product description. Explain exactly what the buyer will receive. Mention the type of graphics, how many files are included, and how they can be used. If relevant, include details such as style, theme, intended use case, whether the asset is for print or screen, and whether the files are editable or layered. After the description, move on to categories. At the top, you'll see the category selector, where you can search or browse categories. The product type is already set to graphics, so you only need to choose the correct main category and subcategories. Start by selecting a main category, such as textures, templates, illustrations, UI elements, backgrounds, mockups, or typography. Once a main category is selected, choose the most accurate subcategory level 1. For example, under textures, you may see options like seamless, grunge, or geometric. Select only the subcategory that truly matches your product. If additional subcategory levels are available, use them only when they add meaningful clarity. Choosing accurate categories helps your product appear in the right browsing results, search filters, and recommendations. When the category path looks correct at the top, click Select to confirm. Next is the product URL, also called the Slug. This field starts empty. You can enable Autofill to generate it from your title or write your own. Keep it short, readable, and lowercase, and avoid spaces or special characters. After that, you'll see the external link field. This is optional and only needed if your product references an external resource, such as documentation or a live preview page. Now move to the additional details section, which contains your graphics attributes. Start by filling in the required technical attributes such as file size, file format, and resolution. These values must accurately reflect the files inside your downloadable archive. You can also add details like color mode, DPI for print assets, and whether the graphics are vector or raster. If your files are layered or editable, make sure that's clearly stated in the attributes. You'll also see a generative AI usage field. Select the correct option based on whether AI tools were used to create the graphics. You may add custom attributes if they provide useful information, but avoid unnecessary or repetitive details. Finally, add tags. Tags help buyers discover your product through search and filters. Use relevant tags such as style, theme, industry, software used, or intended use case. Stay within the tag limit and only use tags that accurately describe your graphics. Once everything is filled in, review your details carefully. Clear and accurate information improves visibility and buyer confidence. In the next video, we'll cover uploading graphics files, preview images, and cover images.